Yay, we made it to the Huntrix concert! Huh?
Mom, play with me!
Girls, over here.
We wanna play!
We need to rehearse. We're running out of time. We need a babysitter ASAP!
Did someone say babysitter? Looks like you can't manage without me.
My bestie rushes in to save the day.
Who wants to play? We do! Lali, yay! You're all so adorable. Come with me. LaLiLu, these little wiggle worms need something to do. Oh, look at that!
A new dumpling.
Wow, so cool.
Let's open it right away. We'll need scissors to cut the packaging. Who do we have here? Nice, we got a pink one. Girls, this is for you.
It's so cute, and we can jump on it too. Phew, that'll keep them busy for a minute. Got it. LaLiLu, check this out.
Oh, an idea notebook.
Yes.
What do we have here? A ball pit. Awesome.
By the way, the link to the notebook is in the description.
All right, let's get started. First, we need to make the sides. Let's find the right material. Not this. Not that either. Lali, nothing here works.
It's always on me. Hello, sweetie? I need supplies.
Express delivery. Wow, that was fast.
So, will this work?
This is perfect. Let's unpack our curlers. I'll bend it like this. Oops, that's not right.
LaLiLu!
Oh, now it turned into a heart. We need to attach the halves together.
Hot glue will help.
Add a tiny drop and press it together. I'm adding a second layer. Don't forget to glue everything just like I did. Now for the bottom.
How about this foam sheet?
Thanks, it's perfect. I'll place the side on top. What should I trace it with? Oh, my favorite pen. Carefully along the outline.
Let me help you.
Done. Time to cut it out. Pow! Lali, the pool is ready.
Wait a second. How about the rhinestones?
Right, but where do I get them?
I can help.
Wow, so sparkly.
Oh, my glitter! This is fabulous! Super shiny.
Let's fill the pool with balls.
Whee! Wow, this is insanely cool.
Oh, the dumplings here. But where are the girls?
What? They're gone! Oh, no way, where could they be? Girls! We're here! Let's go. Everyone into the pool! A pool? For us? Let's do it! This is so fun! Zoey, jump! Yay! Finally, everyone's here. Okay, let's count. The babies are asleep. Mira, Zoey, and the lion. Rumi! Oh, where did she go?
Hey, Lali, look down.
Pick me up! I'm right here. Whee! Thanks for the trampoline. You guys are full of surprises. Oh, you must be hungry. Quick, to the kitchen. I need to feed the girls. Shh, I'll take care of you. What do I do? Where's the food? Nothing here. And this is empty too. What should I feed them?
Oh my God.
Got it. My phone. Hello? I need to get to the workshop.
You're already here.
LaLiLu, the girls need food.
Don't panic. Maybe give them pizza?
No.
What about chicken?
Not that.
A burger with fries?
Seriously, LaLiLu, they're little. Oh, I've got an idea.
Great, hand it over. Let's peek inside the bag. Tiny bottles.
Oh, these are for milk.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'll take this one.
How do we fill it?
Let's use a funnel.
And now glitter.
There we go, the bottle is full. Let's decorate it with rhinestones and attach the dropper. Perfect.
It needs stickers.
Decorate the surface. Voila! We've got a milk bottle. Here you go, Lali.
Awesome, thanks. Wait, where are the girls? Phew, they're here. Here's your bottle, eat up. Tasty and healthy milk. Thank you. All done eating, time to play.
The girls are full of energy.
La la la. Let me warm some more. What are they doing over there? Yay! Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Hey, where are you going? Oh, you're such little whirlwinds. All right, time for bed.
No need to ask them twice.
Such little angels. All right, I need to think of something for the older ones. But what?
Hey, Lali, what are you doing?
I'm drawing in my little notebook.
Oh, can I see? Something fell out. Wow, that's a lot of pages.
These are my drawings.
Whoa, they're so cool. It would be amazing to color them.
But I don't have any paints.
Hey, Lali, what's wrong? We'll fix it in a second, bestie.
I've got an idea. Let's make paints out of Lego. Woohoo!
Whoa, all right, let's do it. Maybe this piece will work, or this one?
No!
How about this one?
Yes, perfect. Now we'll use acrylic.
Let's pick 4 different colors. We'll start with yellow.
No!
Lali, what's going on?
Yellow won't work, it blends in. Let's go with pink, blue, and green.
I load the brush and fill the refill. 1, 2, 3. What's next?
Clear polish.
Right. I'll add a tiny drop to each color. Now the paints won't run.
And cure it with UV light. Done. Now rhinestones.
Go ahead.
I'm decorating the sides of the box.
We've got 2 palettes. Oh, what about the brushes?
Hold on, I need to clean my teeth.
Your toothpick will come in handy.
Huh?
1 second. I dip it in paint and trim the tip. Let's borrow a bit of fur. Snip! The brushes are ready.
They're so cool, but my hands are full.
Brushes go here and paints go there.
Thanks for the help. Girls, come here. What's that? A fabulous painting kit. Wow, paints. Yay, I love drawing. Yay! Aw, they like it.
You did great, Lali.
I can't do it. Huh? Why, Zoey? I miss my mom. Me too. We need a plan. I've got it. Look, a stage. Wow, what's it for? It's a surprise.
Hey, kids. Miss us. We'll sing for you.
Yay!
Painting is way more fun with music. Oh, the girls made portraits of their moms.
Such talented little artists. Let's show them to your moms.
Our girls are simply amazing. You did such a great job. I'm so proud of you, sweetie. I love you so much.
OMG, this is adorable. Uh-oh, what's that smell? Ew, who smells like that? The lion, the teddy. It's us. Come here. Someone needs a diaper change. Lie down. The diapers were somewhere here. Oh, here they are. No way, they're out. LaLiLu! I need to figure something out fast. Right, my notebook.
Let's look for ideas inside. Oh, this is perfect. Let's enlarge it. Yep, detailed instructions. Looks easy enough. First, print it out. Carefully cut along the outline. Use a ruler to score the lines. Apply glue to the edges. Fold into a box. Glue the paper diapers. Now we can place them inside the package.
LaLiLu, wait!
What?
We need stickers. All right, now it's truly ready. Let's put it in. Great, time to get back to the babies. They need changing. I'll take care of everything. Let's take off the dirty diaper.
Lali, are you sure you can handle it?
Of course.
Oops, we need to clean the bottom.
I've got wipes. Grab a bunch and clean it all up. Perfect. Now it's bath time. You'll love it. Everything we need is here. LaLiLu, can you fill the tub?
1 second. There we go, warm and bubbly.
Let's dive in. Whee! Oh, nice. I like it. You're all so cute.
Gently wash the doll with a sponge. Done, all clean. Wrap in a towel. Bath time is fun, but it's time to get out.
Let's go back. One last thing. Put on fresh diapers. There, all done. Now you can lie down. So adorable. Oh, what's that noise? Where's that sound coming from? Why is it so loud? Don't get too high.
Hey, Lali, look here. Singing might be a bit early, but instruments would be perfect. How about guitars?
That's a great idea.
Which one should we pick? This one looks the coolest.
LaLiLu, that's not a total sleigh. Check these. Let's take this one, and this one.
Great, what should we make them from?
Got it. Here are our materials.
Wow, thanks. So much chenille wire. I shaped the pink one into a star. Perfect fit. Twist the edge, cut off the excess, attach another star on top.
And the neck.
Oh no, it fell apart. How did that happen?
It's okay, use glue.
Add a drop and connect the parts. Gently flatten it with an iron. Thread the strings. First guitar is done. Here are the other two.
And of course, rhinestones. Look!
Extra sparkle. High five, we nailed it.
I'll take these to the girls. Hey friends, I've got something for you. Wow, guitars. They're so cool, soft too. Here you go, sweetheart, this one's yours. I'll teach you how to play. The main thing is to feel it. Now you try. Okay, we'll do our best. Okay! Girls, let's put on a concert. Mira says I'm flawless, bright like a star.
So talented. They're just like us. Rumi, you did amazing.
Thank you. That performance was awesome. Oh, do I hear crying? Coming right away. Hey, who do we have here? Shh, calm down. Want me to rock you? Close your eyes. Well, that didn't help. What else can I do? Maybe you want the stroller? It's okay. Shh. That didn't work. LaLiLu!
Don't worry, I've got an idea. I'll take this crib. Something's missing, right?
Let me think. I know. Let's craft a mobile.
I've got a special kit for this. So many pieces inside. Pour everything onto the table. Thread beads onto a string. Beautiful. Secure them with knots. Attach to a ring. I've already made a few of these.
So, how does it look?
Yeah, check it out.
Wow, that's adorable!
Decorate with pom-pom trim.
And rhinestones, of course.
Attach it to the stand and done.
Look, girls, this is for you. Time to sleep. Night-night.
Looks like they love the beads. Aw, they fell asleep so sweetly. What are the older girls watching?
Wow, our favorite channel.
Oh, it's Huntrix.
They've got a concert soon. I miss them so much. I got an idea. Girls, your ride is here. Hop in. Yay! We're going to the concert. Let's go. Full speed ahead. We're coming too. Just in time for the start. This is incredible.
Girls, you're here.
Mommy, I missed you.
Make way.
Mom, you sing the best.
Thank you, Lali. You're the best babysitter ever.
Wow, what a busy day.
But you did an amazing job, bestie.
See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.